Hi everyone, this is Meenakshi Ramesh from tapyourwaytohealing.com. In today's video, I want to share the EFT Basic Recipe with all of you. It's a very simple formula or recipe that you can follow and use for any issue that you want to work on. And I will be sharing that with you today in today's video. Before I do that, I do want to apologize for saying something wrong in yesterday's video, and that is with regard to the breathing. I went back and watched the video, and I noticed that I have said 6 breaths in and 6 breaths out. It is not 6 breaths in, it is actually 6 seconds in breath and 6 seconds out breath. So it is like, when you count, it's 1 to 6, or if it's hard, 1 to 4. 4 seconds in breath, 4 seconds out breath, 4 seconds in inhalation, 4 seconds exhalation. So it is just one breath, but you will be counting from 1 to 4 or 1 to 6 mentally and taking the breath. So slowing down your breath to 6 seconds in and 6 seconds out, or 4 seconds in and 4 seconds out. So I just want to make that correction. Apologize for saying 6 breaths in and out. That will be a lot. So let's go to the basic recipe, to learning the basic recipe. The reason I wanted to share basic recipe today was because some people have joined recently, and I also got messages from friends to be added to the group, and some people are totally new to this, so I just want to share the basic recipe one more time. It's a very simple formula, so I have written it here. Maybe for you it may be a mirror image. I think you may not be able to see this. I will take a picture of this and post in the group. So the basic recipe goes like this. This is the statement: even though I have this problem, I love and accept myself. This is the setup statement for the basic recipe. So I have written this problem inside a box. So instead of this problem, you can replace the word with any problem or any issue that you want to tap on. Examples could be migraine headache, insomnia, or my dog is not feeling well. My son didn't sleep well last night. There is so much stress at work. It could be anything ranging from A to Z. So substitute that problem word in the problem box, and then you can use the statement for tapping. So this is just for people if you have not done any tapping at all, and if you want to just try tapping and see how it works, you can use this statement. So I will show you how to do this. So first you start here, the karate chop point, and then you say, even though I have this problem, I love and accept myself. Even though I have this problem, I love and accept myself. Even though I have this problem, I love and accept myself. So after you're done tapping here 3 times, you go here and you say, this problem, 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 this problem. Like I said, this problem can be replaced with any problem that you want to tap on. So this completes one round. So 3 times here, and then just the reminder phrase. This is called the setup statement, and when you say this problem, this problem, this problem, this problem, calling out the problem, naming the problem, that is called the reminder phrase. So this completes one round. So I would like you to practice this basic recipe for yourself or for anyone in your family, and try it and try for yourself and see how you feel. Maybe the reminder phrase rounds, you can do 3 to 5 rounds and see how it feels. Suppose you want to, there is some tightness in your back, you could say, even though I have this tightness in my back, I love and accept myself. And then you go, this tightness in my back, this tightness in my back, this tightness in my back. So just do it 3 rounds, do 3 rounds of this, and then tune into the tightness or tune into the problem that you're tapping on, and then see if something has shifted for you. And always take a number on a scale of 0 to 10. How intense is the problem? Give it a number so that when you come back, when you complete one round, you can go back and check the intensity of the problem. You can check how intense it is. So that is just a quick and a short introduction of the basic recipe. So this is again for people, newcomers, if they have not done any tapping, or even for people who have been doing some tapping for some time and they stopped for some reason and want to revisit. This will be very helpful. So that's all for today. I really want to make my videos very short so that I respect everyone's time. I don't want to make it very long, but sometimes my videos get longer. So on those days I make long videos, what you can do is you can just scroll, rewind, fast forward the video and pause and do the tapping part alone, if that's helpful for you. And so that's the basic recipe. I will see you all again hopefully tomorrow with another new video. Okay, bye for now. Take care.